Welcome. Today I'm showing how to turn off Google Assistant option into a DOOGEE V20. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Then in the bottom right corner we got more options, so tap it and choose settings. Then go into Google Assistant, and in this menu scroll down and find general option, this one. And now tap here on the switcher to turn off your Google Assistant. Tap, and to turn off Google Assistant, need to confirm operation by tapping turn off one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.